Go sit down. I gave him a bone. Go sit down. What's going on, guys?
Okay.
Yeah, I gave him a treat. Alright, guys, let's see what kind of bullshit Panini sent us to replace that Panini 1 box from Case 2 that had no card in it. Thanks for everyone tagging the crap out of them and getting their attention since they blocked me from everything. Thanks to Sean and my distributor for getting a hold of them and them trying to make it right. So, everything's in the left, guys. That's the team list from Case number 2. Whatever comes out, whether it's good or bad, it goes to you. So, alright. So, good luck, everybody. And let's hope Panini doesn't screw us. It's very light. It's in a huge box. Still sealed from FedEx. Let's see what they gave us. Yeah, it's going to be another empty Panini 1 box. Nah, it's too light for that, man. It's too big. So good luck, guys. Let's see what they gave us in replacement. Hopefully we can praise them. And I can thank Panini because I buy a lot of stuff. And I always say how much I like their stuff. So, better be something good here. I'm hoping. Alright, guys. Good luck. Learn how to open this box here. Oh, tear here. Wow, they really secure these things. Alrighty. Where's the magic? Well, there's a bubble envelope in there. Let's see what they gave us. Come on, Panini. I called it. I said it'd be one of 2 players. Because neither of them hit in that case. And what did they do? Atlanta Falcons. There you go, Eddie. I called it. What a shit company. What a shit company. Calvin Ridley, $24.99. Unbelievable. Well, Panini, thanks for trying here. You gave us one of the worst signatures of them ever. And that case should have had another big rookie in it, not Calvin Ridley. That is ridiculous. Unreal. I called it, guys. I said Calvin Ridley or Cortland Sutton because they come out in every case, and we didn't get any in that case. So, all the hype today, waiting to open this. Eddie, you are the winner of a Calvin Ridley. I knew it, guys. So I wasn't excited because I knew it would be a letdown. I told you that days ago. Don't expect anything nice from him. So, oh well. Make sure you guys tag them in this too and let them know that they suck as a company and I'm about to just not break their football stuff anymore because I'm tired of the way they treat us. It's bullshit. It really is. They should have gave us something nicer than that. Just because it was their mess up. Alright, guys. Hopefully we'll go live with their last limited tonight. Or not limited, plates and patches. And Topps Series 1, number 2. Okay, honey, I'll go get you in a second. Appreciate it, guys. And I'll run some minis. Sorry it was a letdown. Nothing I can do about it. Have a good one, guys. Thanks, Panini.